casually driving to Isfahan, drinking Iranian beer. Good morning. I'm currently at an Iranian historical Persian garden. It's called Fin Garden, located a little bit in the southern part of Kashan. And this place is one of the touristic destination that people usually go to. The entrance ticket fee is quite expensive. It's 200,000 riyal. I mean, if you're not into garden really, you can skip this place, but if you're into historical stuff, definitely check this place out. This Fin Garden is the oldest garden in Iran. Also in, I think around the 18th century, there was an assassin thing happened here. So we are currently in Abyane village, which is a 2,500-year-old village, which is considerably a living museum. People here are well known for the flowery scarf that they are wearing. So when you enter the Abyane village, you will have to pay for 10,000 toman, and you'll get pretty much a book guide which tells a little bit more about the village. The buildings itself, houses are made of bricks, clay, and wood, that's why it's also like reddish type of thing and known as Red Village. It feels like when you're walking around, we are traveling back to ancient times. So if you see here, the door has two different doorknob. The first one being this one, the second one being that one. It tells the person inside who's coming. One is for male, one is for female. I just bought dried fruit. This is apple from the lady that's selling a lot of stuff. I don't see a lot of people or inhabitants here anymore. We're currently in Natanz, a small city close to the Abiane village, and behind me is a very old mosque, if you can see, and also that one is a castle. Let me show you a little bit. I don't know if we're able to actually get in, but the architecture is super old with a lot of blue and turquoise colors. Look at that. Look at that. It's still being used as a mosque that people actually gather together. Casually driving to Isfahan, drinking Iranian beer, which is a non-alcoholic malt beverage, with my driver. Hello! And Jungkoren! There are so many Chinese everywhere, so I feel like I'm still in China. I have just arrived here in Isfahan and it's been a long day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll try to vlog every single day and show you a little bit more around. Bye bye!